Sangrongshal Shairiko Hastani Montri Okra, Dr. Manik Sahani Romwi Chengsawi Rwjakha, Agartala Nishimi Mumbai Thangnai, Lokmanya Tilak Express Train Malkhung ni Thanglai Show. Pandao video conference ni Bishingti Manjakha, Hakoto ni Rail Montri Swini Boisnov. Te Assam Hastani Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma.
Paithago Sangrongshal Shairiko Hastani Montri Okra Dr. Manik Sahani Romwi Chengsawi Rwjakha, Agartala Nishimi Mumbai Thangnai, Lokmanya Tilak Express Train Malkhung ni Thanglai Show. Aba haikeno Ashala Montri Okra Dr. Manik Sahani Romwi Chengsawi Rwjakha, Agartala Sabrom Demo Rail Malkhung. Paithago video conference ni Bishingti Koknarka Hakoto ni Rail Montri Chini Boisnov. Aba haikeno Ashalni Pandao video conference ni Bishingti Manjakha Assam Hastani Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma te Jammu and Kashmir ni Governor Manoj Sinha. Pandao Manjakha Hakoto ni Montri Pratima Bhumik Hastani Transport te Tourism Bedek ni Montri Sushanto Chaudhary.
Kamaikya Lokmanya Tilak Express and flagging of Agartala Sabrom Demo train. Virtually, we have with us Sri Chini Vaishnavji, Honorable Minister of Railways, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Manoj Sinha, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Sri Sushanto Chaudhary, Minister of Transport, Tourism, Government of Tripura, Srimati Pratima Bhumik, Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment of India, Srimati Minarani Sarkar, Honorable MLA Badarghat, Assembly Constituency, and other dignitaries and officers of Indian Railways. We are glad to know that under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Ministry of Railways has decided to improve rail connectivity between various parts of northeastern states with major and important cities of India through Kira model. There is a long demand of state of Tripura for extending the existing train service Kamaikya Lokmanya Tilak Express up to Agartala, upgradation of the existing railway stations at Udaipur, Dharmanagar and Kumarghat, introduction of Agartala Puri train service and Agartala Jammu railway service, etc. In this regard, we are already aware that our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, has laid the foundation stones on 6th August 2023 for redevelopment of 3 railway stations at Dharmanagar, Kumarghat and Udaipur with the estimated cost of rupees 96.60 crores under Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Now the said work is going on. Further, it is really a historic moment for the people of state of Tripura that on the eve of Durga Puja, the Ministry of Railways, Government of India has extended Lokmanya Tilak Kamaikya Weekly Express train number 12519 / 12520 up to Agartala in Tripura. The stoppages between Guwahati and Agartala will be at Ambasha, Dharmanagar, Badarpur, New Haflong, Lamding, Hajai and Chapramukh station. This train service will now start from Agartala station on Thursday at 6 am and will arrive at Lokmanya Tilak station, Mumbai on Saturday 4:15 p.m. In the return journey, train number 12519 Lokmanya Tilak Kamaikya Agartala Express will depart from Lokmanya Tilak station, Mumbai on Saturday at 7:50 am and will arrive at Agartala station on Tuesday at 7:50 p.m. This train service will connect remote areas of northeast with Mumbai. The direct rail connectivity with financial capital city Mumbai will boost business opportunities and facilitate to avail higher education and higher medical treatment for the people of the state. Besides trade and commerce, it will also boost up tourism sector in the state. Patients suffering from cancer may easily go to Tata Memorial Cancer Hospital, Mumbai for higher treatment. The distance of Agartala-Mumbai railway track is approximately 3,168 km and time duration of the service is approximately 55 hours, that is 2 days and 7 hours. Ministry of Railways approves another daily demo train service that is 07687/07688 between Agartala and Sabrum, which will be started soon. DPR for converting the Agartala railway station into international standard under world-class station scheme with estimated cost of rupees 235 crore 45 lakhs has been prepared by the railways and submitted to the railway board for approval and sanction of fund. Very shortly, Agartala-Akhora new railway links will connect the mainland of India through this small state of Tripura with Kolkata via Rwjakha of Bangladesh. This rail link will reduce the existing distance of Agartala-Kolkata of 1,600 km roadways to 500 km only through railways via Bangladesh. Another request has been made from the state government to the Ministry of Railways for extension of Tripura Express and Kanchenjunga Express train service up to Sabrum with having stoppage at Udaipur and Bilunia rail station. Hope this will be considered and implemented. On behalf of Tripura people, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and also I like to thank our Honorable Union Railway Minister, Sri Vaishnav ji, for giving this beautiful gift to Tripura people. Thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Abo ni shalai shikang pandani ke sara video conference ni bishingti kokna rakha hakoto ni रेल मंत्री Chini वैष्णव।
नॉर्थ ईस्ट हुआ और जम्मू कश्मीर हुआ, दोनों ही जगह लगातार तेजी से काम चल रहा है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में तो अगर हम देखें तो करीब 10,000 करोड़ का एनुअल बजट जा रहा है। यही नंबर पहले अगर 2014 से पहले देखते तो 1,500 करोड़ के आसपास का रहता था, 2,000 करोड़ रहता था। अब 10,270 करोड़ का बजट है नॉर्थ ईस्ट के रेलवे के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, और काम दिख भी रहा है। फील्ड में अगर हम देखें मणिपुर, मिजोरम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, असम में अरुणाचल के प्रोजेक्ट, इधर सिक्किम के प्रोजेक्ट, तेज़ी से काम आगे चल रहा है। और इधर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में अगर हम देखें तो जो उधमपुर से लाइन जानी है, चेनाब पे ब्रिज कंप्लीट हुआ है, अंजी का ब्रिज कंप्लीट हुआ है, करीब सारी टनल्स कंप्लीट हो गई, एक T1 टनल का थोड़ा काम बाकी। तो मेजर प्रोग्रेस हुई है पिछले 9 वर्षों में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में जम्मू कश्मीर। ट्रेन्स की अगर हम सर्विसेज की बात करें तो वंदे भारत चालू हुई तो सबसे पहले जम्मू कश्मीर और उत्तर प्रदेश में वाराणसी के लिए चालू हुई। कई नई सर्विसेज चालू हुई। अगर हम त्रिपुरा की बात करें, जैसे स्पेसिफिकली भी बात करें, तो जहां केवल 4 पेयर ट्रेन्स जाती थी पहले, अब 17 पेयर्स ट्रेन